Hello. Welcome to Shopify Fashion Installation and Configuration Tutorial. Today's topic is how to install Shopify Fashion Theme. First, get the theme files from the URL provided in the video description. Go to Shopify Theme Admin. Click on Themes. Click the Add Theme button. Then browse to the location to upload a theme. It will require some time to install. Well done! Your theme is now installed. How to set up a header and footer will be covered in the future video. Now to publish your theme, click the Publish button. Your theme will be installed on your store after it has been published.